All right. Let me see if I have this set up. Oh, did I mess this up? Oh crap. What did I click on? All right. Shoot. I forgot what I clicked on. I spelled earnings wrong. Wow. Am I a donkey? All right. Let me know in the chat if you guys can hear me and all that jazz. Let me know. Let me know. Did I even post this on Telegram? I don't think so. Man, y'all found me even without Telegram. All right. Give me like 1 minute and I will be back. Brad. Oh, there's the chat. Be right back in 2. Well, it wasn't 2 minutes. All right. We're already back. Let's pull up the goodies, shall we? All right. You know what? I think I have a cigar in here. Oh, Mitch is already on. Did I post on Telegram or no? I thought I just did. Yeah, I think they posted right before it though. They sent out like a why I'm pulling risk even as stocks grind higher. That's an odd one. All right, let me get my setup. The children's place. Ooh. All right, so let me get the big boy and Penny rocking here. Did y'all see that Herbalife there? Herbalife December 2.5 puts for someone's betting maybe Bill Ackman. Herbalife is going under. I mean, I'll be honest, I don't know how they're not going already, but pretty wild, huh? It's still around. Herbalife. I saw that Match.com call buyer. I thought that was interesting. Match.com, will you find love? Or will you not on Match.com? My aunt met her boyfriend on Match.com. And she's, I think, like mid-50s. It works. Kavu puts. Ooh. All right, let me get this out the way. Yay, normal charts. Palantir. Palantir, Palantir, Palantir. Palantir. All right, let me look at a couple things, then we'll get into Palantir. Let me just look at this KVYO. I'm just want to look at the oddballs first. Ooh, what is KYVO? May 30 puts. And what is this stock? KYVO. KVYO. I think it's a new IPO. Software, blah, blah, blah. Has anyone ever traded this stock? KVYO? Pretty rare put buyer. Trader makes up the whole market today. Yeah, just a little bit, a little late night, well, late day stonkomania. Huh. I can't talk. And I'm obsessed with this stock now. KVYO. 180,000 in the May 30 puts. I need like a to do research in the next 15 minutes on it. KVYO. A tunnel painting on a rock online blog. So I guess there was an online blog talking about it. Oh, Lord. I don't know why, but I'm getting obsessed with this one. $5 implied move. The 30 puts are 180. Could this stock crack? Cracked here, $5. Cracked here, popped here, and then I guess it went public here. Then we'll get the Palantir. I'm just obsessed with this right now. KVYO stock. What are you? Benchmark raises it to 165. Oh my gosh. What's the short float? Are insiders buying or selling? There's, oh my God, they sold 64 million worth of stock. Summit Partners, 82 million. So they're dumping this bad boy. I think I have to buy puts. KVYO. 10% short float. When do they report? 5, 6. I'm going to buy like a 2 lot, 3 lot. Just as weird. If it goes up, I'll probably add more tomorrow. I'm just going to pay 190. KVYO. I'm obsessed with you. All right, paid 189. This one, I'm going to get more details tomorrow. They don't report till tomorrow after the bell. But I don't know why I have an obsession with this stock. KVYO. You're going down, brother. Tomorrow, they report after the bell. So you have all day tomorrow to win, lose, or draw, or do whatever you want to it. But just weird. Clavial. And here's the bastard Palantir. I say that in a nice way because I own it. Let me add KVYO to my watch list. I didn't even have it on there before. Palantir. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do with Palantir? Flat on the day at all-time highs. What's the expected move? Let's use the market maker indicator for it. The expected move is 141 to the upside, 108 to the downside. Huh. Oh, 108, 141. You know what I want to do? This is unlike me. I kind of want to do an iron condor, but it won't expire till Friday. Oh, I hate doing condors that only expire 5 days away. I wish it would expire tomorrow. Palantir, what to do with you? An $18, $16. Let's just say $18 sounds better. $17 implied move. I thought it was a lot, but really, yeah, it is a lot. Heck, who am I kidding? I own Palantir stock from like 87, so I should buy protection. I am going to price out an iron condor. And this is kind of out of my ordinary, but I'm just going to see what I can pay for it. If I sell the 108 puts and I buy the 107 puts, the market is wide. Let's say I could get 25 cents. And if I sell the 140 calls, I should sell the 141 calls and buy the 142 calls. How much can I get? So I'm just going to do 20 cents. All right, here's what I'm going to try. I'm going to try to sell the 141, 142 bear call spread and the 108, no, the 107, 106 bear call bull put credit spread. I'm going to try to get 45 cents. I'm just curious if I can. So I'm going to do an iron condor. This is so out of the ordinary. Let me just see if it's even realistically to get filled before I even type it. So I'm bidding to sell the 107, 106 put credit spread, and then selling the 141, 142 bear call spread. If I can't get 45 cents, I'm just going to toss it. I'll try 43 cents as a low. If I can't get filled at 43 cents, then no dice. All right, probably not going to get filled. All right, well, yeah, I don't think you can get filled. I'll put it in the chat, but I don't think it's realistically filled. I'm going to try 42 cents. If I don't get filled, then no. All right, I got filled at 42 cents. So this is not the best thing, but I'm just literally doing a market maker move. And we'll see how it goes. So basically it would be, here, let me show the risk example. Basically, I want Palantir to stay above 107 and below 141. It's a pretty big range, right? That's a pretty large range. I mean, it has an 82% probability. So basically, I'm betting that Palantir doesn't make a big move. So by selling the 107 puts and buying the 106 puts, I'm doing a put vertical spread. It has to stay above 107. And then by selling the 141 calls, buying the 142 calls, it has to stay below 141. So basically, if it long as it closes within this range, so from 107 to 141, the trade makes money in simple terms. If it goes outside the range, then I lose. What is my max loss? It would be, what did I get? 41 or 42 cents. My max loss would be 60 or 58. I mean, it's not a bad risk versus reward at all. So I did a 4 lot. So my max gain is 168. My max loss is 232. Yeah, it's not bad. But it's, for me, it's kind of a boring trade for earnings. That's why I only did 4 contracts. Because when I say it's boring, I mean, yeah, if basically by doing this, it's so boring that I'm basically saying I don't think Palantir has a greater than expected market maker move on earnings. So, I mean, for me, it's pretty boring, but I don't want to say it's safe because that's a bad way to say about anything, but I'm basically betting Palantir doesn't move on earnings. As long as it doesn't move more than $16, I'm good in either direction. So for me, kind of a boring trade, but I mean, I don't really have any big bias on it. And since I technically own the stock in my investment, I have the stock in my big account from like 87 ish. I have a pretty large cushion. I mean, if I was just wanting to hedge, I would probably just buy the outright puts against my long stock. But I don't know if it crashes or not. But I think there should be some profit taking in it personally, but it is Palantir. You never know. So I think they would have to have an amazing quarter for the stock to go up. But again, it's the stock market. Anything can happen. So, but if I had to give a directional play, I would probably lean a little bit bearish. I just don't want to do like a butterfly, a put fly, because I mean, you could make the case earnings are bad, the stock goes down to 100. Yeah, that would be like your doomsday bet. I mean, what is the 101 100 bear put spread? I mean, you want to get super risky? You could buy the 101 100 bear put spread for about 13 cents. You're risking 13 cents to make 87 cents if you get a under 100 at Friday. That ain't, I mean, it sounds crazy, but it ain't. So I would do some crazy stuff. If you're looking for a crash. I mean, it can happen. I think the market needs to come down personally, but it's kind of what I want, but I don't think the market's going to give us what we want. Was that the only thing that really hit for earnings? Hims and hers. Yeah. Hims and hers. What do we have on that one? I think they had some news today already. This is where you buy your stuff online. Your goody stuff or your bad stuff. Well, I guess it's not bad stuff. You go buy your meds online. It used to be where you get like your vitamin D. Now you can get everything, I think. You got a lot of small bets in Hims. I bet you the implied move for Hims and hers is probably like 20%. Let me take a look. $7. Almost. I don't think I'm going to touch hims and hers. Yeah, not for me. Not for me, hims and hers. Let's see what else we got. Anything else? Mattel? I still have some Ford puts. I held a little bit of them. Mattel, you have some July 15 calls. When did those buy? May 1st. Mattel is Barbie. Is Mattel? You have some May 17 calls that traded. What were they? A spread with the October, January calls. May 17 calls looked like they were super small. They look bid. Yeah. Nothing clean in Mattel. Yeah, we'll pass on the toy maker. What else do we got? TKO is when? May 8th. Ooh, we got wrestling this week. The XXP, SPX, XXP trades are at max profit. Nothing to do there. I should have bought TKO this morning when it was down with Netflix, but it already came back up. It doesn't really trade much options, sadly. I bought a one lot just so I could take 100 shares of stock. Yeah, TKO doesn't really trade much in the option market. Palantir, small ball, Avgo, small ball, in phase, September. I think that's solar in phase. They have earnings? No. Solar stocks were down today. Sunrun was down 4%. First Solar was down. I'll be honest, today there was not a lot of action. It's good for the SPX trades, but not a lot of action. Oh, look who has earnings this week. I didn't know this. Disney. Mickey Mouse does. Ooh, when is, oh crap, it's almost, I hope Disney doesn't report. When is Disney? They bought the weekly 90 puts. When is Disney? Don't be today. Good. Ooh, remind me tomorrow. Disney 5-7. Oh, good. So we have tomorrow. Disney is the top contender for tomorrow. Ooh, an H cell pattern. Disney's going to be the number one. Well, good thing it's not till May 7th. So Disney, I like this one. Disney, the May 9th 90 puts with a classic H cell pattern. Like a lowercase here. Let me do it a little better. So H cell pattern is this, like a lowercase h. It breaks the low and you flush. You see how we flushed on volume? So then here, if we do a lowercase h, we'll say it long, right? We rallied, slow rally, and then we break the low, and then whew, doomsday. Ooh, that could be a good one. Disney. The May 9th, that's this Friday, 90 puts. Ooh, look at my chops on this one. $6 implied move for Disney. Wow, it's pretty big. So Disney, this is the all eyes are going to be on you, my dear Mickey. The May 9th 90 puts. Look at this. We had some more puts in the past. Oh, we had the May monthly Those hit today too? Am I blind? How did I miss them? At 137, they bought the monthly 93 puts. I might actually buy monthly puts. So next week, just because I think the stock, if horrible earnings, could crack 80, the prior low. So I will probably buy next week 90 puts tomorrow. Let's make a note of that. Let me do a screenshot. I'm gonna post this in the option pit. Ooh, I think I barked myself up a Mickey Mouse. Mmm. Mmm. What did this who's the CEO of Disney nowadays? Is it oh my god. Tonight is today's Cinco de Mayo? I didn't even notice that. Wow. I don't really drink anymore. Well, my girlfriend doesn't drink. 5'7". Disney is 5'7" before market. Wow, I didn't even know it was Cinco de Mayo either. I feel old. I used to love tequila and margaritas so much. I mean, I still do. I just don't drink them. Is Palantir after hours or tomorrow morning? I don't see them out yet. After hours, conference calls at 5. Oh, that's late. Put it here, maybe. Yeah, they're after hours. Huh. Iger is back? Oh, really? Bob Iger is back with Disney? I don't know. I mean, with Snow White being a flop, but you could say Netflix had good earnings and Disney's in the same business. I don't know. It's a hard. I mean, I don't know. They could announce some buyback. Bob Iger, he's not dumb. I mean, I wonder if he's going to try to save the stock, but he hasn't. I think the street will still punish them. Yeah, I don't. I just can't see a good case for it to rally. I just don't think the market will reward it. Maybe it doesn't move, but I don't know. We'll see. Palantir is not out yet. Remember, Palantir is implying basically a 17-point move. So you're going to need some, you know, some big movement in that one. So hopefully it doesn't move at all. Hopefully it only moves like $5-10. That'd be good. Carvana, yeah, I have some puts in that one for later in the week. Man, did Hims and Hers come out yet? No. I forgot it was Cinco de Mayo. Not that I'm going to do anything. I had a steak to make tonight. It's not really very Cinco de Mayo-ish. All right, let me see if we have any questions in the chat. XPX, XSP. You don't really have to do anything there. I don't know why it's giving me 102% mark. That's incorrect. It should only give a 100%. So sometimes the brokers just have bad marks. Oh, sorry, Ron. I didn't see your message. Palantir EPS in line, revenue. Oh yeah, you're right. I just got the Palantir data. And the algorithms are now trading it. It's up a whopping $3. Well, this is good. No move, Palantir. No move, Palantir. Wow, they're guiding higher. Thank God. The stock should be up like $20. Palantir guiding Q2 revenue higher. Oh my God, thank goodness. Whew. Well, as long as nothing crazy happens, or Iron Condor should be very, very good. Wow, they're guiding higher, and the stock is only up $5. In this market, it should be up like 100, not 100. It should be up like $20. But it is up a lot off the lows, so yeah, it makes sense, I guess. Wow. Look at that. It's only up $6, $5. Well, good for a stock position. Do you use the market maker move from previous day? No, at 10 a.m. No worries. I think the school is more important. Wow, I am shocked. It is only up $6 or so on this market. I feel like the stock's up a lot in the past like month or so. But to have like a really, really good quarter, it's pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie. What else is out? Hims and Hers. Not crashing. Up a buck. Pretty light move as well. Hims beat with revenue. The algo's printed 38. Hims and Hers is flat as a pancake. Palantir is flat as a pancake. Why didn't I do 1,000 lot? I'm kidding. Well, that'll be good. Man, we could not do I guess you could have done an iron fly at 125 would be better, but literally no move. Mattel, no move. Ford, I don't think they're out yet. I don't think Mattel's out. Hims and Hers, now down $1. Well, basically a non-eventful earnings. Now Palantir down $1. Well, yeah, pretty much a no move on earnings. So, damn. Now the stock is down on raising revenue, raising guidance. Who knows? This is brutal here. So someone had a buy stop order. So someone had a buy stop order at 130 or 130.05, and the computers tagged it and then just went down. That's brutal. Wow. Well, interesting. Well, all right, gang. Well, I think that's it today. Not a very exciting day, I will tell you that much, to be honest with you. But made a little bit of money, about $900. I'll take that any day of the week. What is this? What did I get a mark in? I don't know what. I feel like I have a bad mark. KVYO, 5%, but that's just a bid-ask spread. I don't know. Something. Anyhow, go enjoy Cinco de Mayo or drink water like I will probably be doing. As long as Palantir stays above 107 and below 141. You don't really have to manage it. I mean, you could buy it back, hopefully for like 10 cents tomorrow if you want, or a nickel. Buy back the short put if you want. But yeah, you really don't have to manage it unless it starts getting near 107 or 141. So yeah, you don't really have to. Since when you sell options, you get a credit. You really don't have to manage unless it starts going in between the strikes. Since it is a stock and not an index, you could get shares of stock if it goes in between the strikes, but uh, pretty far cushion. Ooh, that sounds good, Todd. Yes, I think tomorrow we're back at it. If you're part of the 4 p.m. payout plan, we'll be back live in the morning. If you're not, try to be. If not, we'll try to be at 3:30 again. Okay. By the way, I'm gonna make a YouTube video on how I invested in Mr. Beast. Oh, sweet. So look for that. A couple people messaged me about the Mr. Beast um, uh, thing. I I don't know why, but well, I don't know why, but I did it. So I got to look over the details on it and figure out what the hell I'm. What the hell is it? Oh gosh. All right, but let me log off here. Be there or be square. Exactly. All right. Well, not a lot of fireworks for Palantir, but that's a good thing, really. But we'll run it back tomorrow. All right. Thank you all. Oh, yeah. Hit the like, hit the thumbs up button before you leave. It helps the YouTube algorithm, the algo on the YouTube. All right. I'm going to log off here. Everyone have a happy evening and Cinco de Mayo and be safe out there. Oh, no. I don't know how to log off Zoom. Where is the Zoom?